In this vlog, let us go through another data type available in Python called dictionary. So mainly dictionaries are the data types which store data in key value pairs similar to map. So here the value is being referenced by the key, so there should not be any duplicate keys available in the dictionary. For example, the basic example you can find here is when you are trying to fetch the user details from an API. Let us consider a dictionary user, and dictionary is being specified by curly brackets. So previously also we have seen set using the same curly brackets. Why? Because we are eradicating the duplicate values, so we are making use of a curly brackets here in dictionary also, same like set. So here let us specify the first key name and provide the value for it. We are providing currently two keys in our dictionary, so specify a comma in between another key value here. So I'm providing age, and we are specifying integers, so we need not specify single quote. So just close the curly braces and now try to print user here. So we have got a simple dictionary printed onto our screen here, name and age. We are having two keys inside this particular dictionary, so you can just fetch the value, like you can specify user inside which you can specify name, and when you try to print the value, then you can see we have got the value here. So by making use of the key we can fetch the value here, and the same for age also. You can just provide the key here and you can fetch the value. Also there is another way to fetch the value, user dot get, and inside you can just provide name, and then here also you will be getting the same output. So for now we are having two key value pairs inside our dictionary, and let us try to add one more key value pair. So we are having name, age. So now let us try to add email address. So email abc@mail.com. So I'm just providing some default email address, and now let us try to print the dictionary, and you can see our email is also added to our existing dictionary. And also now let us try to delete a key value pair from our existing dictionary. So delete user and provide the key here. So let us try to delete age from our user dictionary, and now let us try to print our dictionary once again. So now you can see our age key value is being removed from our dictionary and is being printed. So these key value pairs are easy to store the data and also retrieve them. In our previous tutorials, the data types like list, set and tuple. So instead of using index values, we can just directly make use of the key and fetch the value directly from the dictionary, and it is much useful when there are more number of values inside our dictionary, and also it doesn't store any duplicate values, so we can also get the accurate data much faster. So this is how we make use of the data type dictionary in our Python. So in our coming tutorials we will be seeing more interesting topics in Python tutorial. If you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Python.